Good morning, Sophia.
Good morning, James.
Are you ready for our trip today?
Yes, I am very excited.
I woke up very early this morning.
I woke up early too, James.
The weather looks perfect for a trip.
Yes, the sun is shining brightly.
Did you pack your bags, Sophia?
My bags are ready by the door.
That is great news.
Did you check the car, James?
Yes, I checked the tires yesterday.
How about the gas?
The gas tank is full.
You are very prepared, James.
Safety is important for a road trip.
I agree with you completely.
Do we have enough water?
I bought 4 bottles of water.
That should be enough for us.
I also made some sandwiches.
What kind of sandwiches did you make?
I made cheese and tomato sandwiches.
Those are my favorite.
I know you like them, James.
Did you bring the map?
Yes, the map is in my bag.
We might need it later.
Using a map is fun.
It is better than using a phone.
It feels like an adventure.
Shall we load the car now?
Yes, let's carry the bags.
This bag is a little heavy.
Be careful with your back, James.
I am strong. Do not worry.
Put it in the trunk, please.
The trunk has plenty of space.
My bag is smaller and lighter.
I can take that for you too.
Thank you. You are very kind.
Everything fits perfectly.
Now we can close the trunk.
Let's get inside the car.
This seat is very comfortable.
Please fasten your seatbelt, Sophia.
My seatbelt is fastened, James.
I will start the engine now.
The car sounds good.
Let's adjust the mirrors.
My mirror is in the right position.
My mirror is good too.
We are ready to go.
Goodbye, house.
See you later, home.
The road is quiet this morning.
That is good for driving.
We will drive to the mountains.
I love the fresh mountain air.
It will take about 3 hours.
We have plenty of time.
We can listen to some music.
Yes, please, turn on the radio.
Do you like this song?
Yes, this is a happy song.
I like the melody very much.
It makes me want to sing.
You can sing if you want.
Maybe later, James.
Look at the sky, Sophia.
It is so blue and clear.
There are no clouds today.
It is a beautiful day.
I am driving at a safe speed.
You feel safe when you drive.
We are leaving the city now.
The buildings are getting smaller.
I see more trees now.
Green is a lovely color.
Nature is very relaxing.
Look at those flowers on the left.
They are yellow and bright.
I think they are sunflowers.
They look very tall.
I want to take a picture later.
We can stop if you want.
No, let's keep going for now.
Okay, we will stop later.
Are you hungry yet, James?
Not yet, but I am thirsty.
Here is a water bottle.
Thank you, Sophia.
Drink some water, please.
That is refreshing.
Staying hydrated is important.
Look at that farm over there.
I see some cows.
The cows are eating grass.
They look very peaceful.
Farm life must be quiet.
I would like to live on a farm.
Maybe one day we can.
That would be a nice dream.
The road is curving here.
Slow down a little, please.
I am slowing down.
The view here is amazing.
We are climbing higher now.
My ears are popping a little.
Swallow some air. It helps.
Thank you. That helped.
We are near the forest.
The trees are very big here.
These are pine trees.
They smell very nice.
I will open the window.
The air is cool and fresh.
It feels great on my face.
I love this road trip.
I am happy you're happy.
Traveling with you is fun, James.
Thank you, Sophia.
Should we play a game?
What game do you want to play?
Let's play I Spy.
Okay, you start first.
I spy something red.
Is it that red car?
No, it is not the car.
Is it the traffic sign?
Yes, it is the stop sign.
You are good at this.
Now it is your turn.
I spy something blue.
Is it the sky?
Yes, it is the sky.
That was too easy, James.
I wanted you to win.
You are funny.
Look, there is a small town.
It looks very cute.
Shall we stop for coffee?
Yes, I would love some coffee.
I see a bakery there.
Let's park the car.
I found a parking spot.
Let's get out and stretch.
My legs need to move.
The air is warmer here.
Let's walk to the bakery.
The bakery smells delicious.
I smell fresh bread.
Good morning.
Hello?
I would like a coffee, please.
And I want a tea?
Do you want a cookie, James?
Yes, a chocolate cookie.
I will have one too.
Let's sit at this table.
The chairs are comfortable.
This break is nice.
The coffee tastes great.
My tea is very hot.
Be careful. Do not burn your tongue.
The cookie is sweet.
It has many chocolate chips.
This is a lovely town.
The people seem friendly.
Everyone is smiling.
Are you ready to leave?
Yes, let's go back to the car.
Did we pay the bill?
Yes, I paid at the counter.
Thank you, James.
You are welcome, Sophia.
Back in the car now.
Seatbelts on again.
Ready for the second part.
We're close to the destination.
How many miles left?
Only 20 miles left.
That is very short.
We will be there soon.
I see the river on the right.
The water is moving fast.
It sparkles in the sun.
We can fish there.
Do you like fishing?
Yes, it is relaxing.
I like reading by the river.
We can do both.
That sounds like a plan.
Look at the birds flying.
They are eagles, I think.
They fly very high.
They are beautiful birds.
The road is straight now,
We can go a bit faster.
but still within the limit.
Of course, safety first.
I see the mountain peak.
It has some snow on top.
It looks white and cold.
It is a majestic view.
We are very lucky today.
Yes, everything is perfect.
What do you want to do first?
I want to unpack our bags.
And then
Then I want to walk.
a walk in the woods?
Yes, a nature walk.
We must wear good shoes.
I brought my hiking boots.
I have my boots too.
Do we have a map of the trails?
We can get one at the hotel.
That is a good idea.
I see a sign for our hotel.
We are almost there.
Turn right here.
The road is gravel now.
It is a little bumpy.
Hold on tight.
I am driving slowly.
Look at the cabin.
It looks made of wood.
It is very rustic.
I like this style.
It fits the forest well.
I will park here.
We have arrived.
Turn off the engine.
It is so quiet here.
Listen to the wind.
Listen to the leaves.
Let's get our bags.
I will take my bag
I will take the heavy one.
and the food bag.
Don't forget the water.
I have the water.
Let's go to the door.
Do you have the key?
The key is in my pocket.
Open the door, please.
Welcome to our cabin.
It smells like wood inside.
It is very clean.
Look at the fireplace.
We can make a fire tonight.
That will be cozy.
There is a big window.
The view is incredible.
We can see the valley.
It is so green and vast.
Let's put the bags down.
I will put clothes in the closet.
I will put food in the kitchen.
The kitchen is small but nice.
It has everything we need.
There is a fridge
Put the cheese in the fridge.
and the water too.
Are you tired, Sophia?
A little bit, but happy.
Why don't you rest?
I will sit on the sofa.
Is the sofa soft?
Yes, it is very soft.
I will open the curtains.
Let the light come in.
This place is peaceful.
I am glad we came.
It was a good drive.
You drove very well.
Thank you for the company.
It is nice to be together.
What is the plan for lunch?
We have the sandwiches
Let's eat on the porch.
outside in the fresh air.
Yes, on the wooden chairs.
That sounds perfect.
I will bring the plates.
I will bring the napkins.
Come outside, Sophia.
The sun feels warm.
Here is your sandwich.
Thank you, James.
Bon appetit.
It tastes very fresh.
Food tastes better outside.
I agree with you.
Look, a squirrel
Where is it?
on the tree branch.
It is eating a nut.
It is very fast.
Nature is full of life.
We should respect nature.
We will leave no trash.
We will keep it clean.
That is the right thing to do.
I am full now.
The sandwich was filling.
Do you want to walk now?
Yes, let's put on our boots.
My boots are by the door.
Mine are here too.
Tie the laces tight.
I am ready to walk.
We will take the blue trail.
Is it an easy trail?
Yes, it is flat and easy.
Good for the first day.
Don't forget your camera.
I have it around my neck.
Let's lock the door.
The door is locked.
Which way is north?
The sun is that way.
The trail starts here.
The ground is soft.
Walk carefully.
Look at these ferns.
They are ancient plants.
I like the pattern.
Listen to the birds singing.
They sound very happy.
We are happy too.
Can we stop here?
Yes. What do you see?
A beautiful butterfly.
It is orange and black.
It is flying away.
Let's continue walking.
The forest is dense.
The light is beautiful.
I feel very calm.
This is a real vacation.
No phone calls.
No emails.
Just us and nature.
We should come here often.
I would like that.
Look at that big rock.
It is covered in moss.
Moss is soft like carpet.
Can I touch it?
Yes, touch it gently.
It feels damp.
It grows in the shade.
Nature is amazing.
We have walked for an hour.
Shall we go back?
Yes, let's turn around.
The path is clear.
We know the way.
I see the cabin.
It looks welcoming.
Smoke is coming from a chimney.
Not ours, maybe the neighbor.
It smells like wood smoke.
A nice country smell.
Let's go inside.
I will take off my boots.
Now, I want to sleep.
Okay, let's go to bed.
The bed looks soft.
Pull up the covers.
It is warm in bed.
Good night, Sophia.
Good night, James.
Sleep well.
Sweet dreams.
See you in the morning.